Hi everyone, Summer here, and there's been so much going on, but I got my Passion for Polymer magazine print edition in, yay! I love getting this in, it makes me feel special. I just like getting clay stuff in the mail. This is the first issue that they change out the middle of the issue. For instead of a stencil, they are now giving a color card. And on the back of the color card, like I showed you the front here, and on the back, it tells you how to make the colors. Isn't that fantastic? Oh man, the colors are really cool too. This one's called Along the Lagoon, and it has kelp, mauve coral, blue waters, currant, shark skin, and pale laurel. So, and all of those colors are apparently right in there, so that's pretty cool, right? You can see them on the back. They have really fun colors to play with if you're interested in creating new colors for your projects. I like creating new colors, but sometimes it's a little overwhelming trying to come up with colors. So I think it's really cool that they give you a little like recipe card for it. And you know, you get it with the magazine. Okay, front cover of the magazine, absolutely stunning. And we are talking about alcohol inks in this magazine. I read through this magazine. It has some really cool stuff in it. I, like most other people, I'm quite impressed with the articles and how everybody talked about stuff in the magazine this time. So most of the stuff in here all has to do with alcohol inks, okay? It's alcohol ink and polymer clay. Of course, we get a lot of jewelry because jewelry is the main thing that tends to be a thing. But look at these. Don't they look like, they kind of remind me of cookies. Cookies, and they have a special ingredient. You have to get the magazine to find out what it is because I'm not going to tell you. But in order to make this specific tutorial, there's a special ingredient you have to use. But you get it for free in the magazine, right? Okay, so Cindy McGee actually has a tutorial in this one that I absolutely love, and I kind of totally want to try out. My daughter loves sunflowers. And she did some alcohol ink sunflower stuff, and oh my gosh, it is so, so pretty. So I'm like watching her do it. I'm not a painter. I'm not good at being a drawer either, so I have a hard time, you know, doing it that way. But when I looked at her tutorial, she made it look so easy. Look at that. I could totally do that. I can do that, right? It's always nice when you're going through the tutorials and it doesn't feel like you're gonna be bombarded by all of these really, really hard steps. And so I was really pleased to see that. Oh yeah, totally wanna try it. Of course, we've got a couple other like earring tutorials in here, some stained glass ones. Now, one of my other favorite things in this is called A Light in the Dark. And she makes these, it's a lady who makes these luminaries. And of course, she does it with, you know, alcohol inks and stuff, but she actually donates some of the extra money. She donates the extra money to a charity called Grin in her local community, and her story is super inspiring. It's like really, really inspiring. I was very much into the, oh my gosh, I need to go out to my community and check things out. And I love stories like that. They make me feel uplifted, and they make me feel like I should create stuff and do things and you know, be more especially involved in my community. And then another one is talking about, this was a good article too, it was talking about being unique. And it just talks about how to find your like own creativity, what one artist had done, Debbie Brothers, what she had done to find her creativity, and how she tells a story about being accused of copying, and you know how she dealt with that and everything else. So that's pretty cool. But she's got these really cool beads in here. Look at that. That's really neat. I love those. I really do. I love those. I'd love to see a tutorial of those. Okay, sorry. Then there's the Color Corner Challenge, which if you didn't know or are not a part of the Passion for Polymer group on Facebook, I have already posted in the announcements about the Color Corner Challenge. They did change the date to give you guys some more time to get your Color Corner Challenge stuff in to the 15th of the following month. So you guys can actually submit stuff to the Passion for Polymer Facebook group, Color Corner Challenge, for the April challenge up until the 15th of May. And then one person can get posted in the magazine. Woohoo! Love it. But the colors are stunning this time. I absolutely love the colors. She's doing magenta glitters, purple opals, purple translucents, pink translucents, pink opals, and pearl translucents. And I mean, it's so pretty. Look at these colors. They are so pretty. I really like these colors. I totally want to try this one. I don't know what I'm going to try it with, but maybe, I think I could come up with something. I'm going to try something. And I'll share it in the Passion for Polymer group when I get it done. I'm in the middle of moving, so like I've been spending a week ripping out carpets in my house. There's like nothing behind me and boxes piled over here because we're actually in the process of remodeling and moving. And by the end of this month, I will be moved out into my new place out at my property, which is about 20 miles outside the city limit. So, I wanted to get this done while I had just a little tiny bit of downtime. And I'm not sure if I'll get any of this magazine's tutorials, like try any of those this month. I might have to wait until after I get settled in May, but I totally want to try the Color Corner Challenge. And then we have my next favorite in this is something I really, really love. It's called Chinese Lantern Flowers, and we get the tutorial on how to make this. And these are so beautiful. Look at those. We got a great tutorial that goes with it. Great steps for the tutorial. I really like it. And then the next one, this tutorial is really, really amazing. It looks a little more, I don't know, simpler than the one next to it, obviously, but it's not. It's more a style than it is anything. But when she goes through this, she literally talks about the different kinds of alcohol inks and the markers that you can use and which nibs are best for what. I mean, this is a fantastic tutorial. I love this tutorial. I would have never known any of that if she hadn't talked about it. So that's really cool. But you get to learn how to make what she's making. She's got a great way of teaching. I absolutely love it. And then, of course, for the best part of the magazine, everybody's work who posted in the Passion for Polymer group showing what they have done with alcohol ink. Isn't that fantastic? So many pretty things. You guys are so talented. I love it. All right, that is it for this magazine. I will leave links down in the description. If you have this magazine, let me know what you thought of it. I really enjoyed the articles in this one, and the tutorials were spot on. You guys did a fantastic job with this one. All right, you guys have a great day.